In this video, we're going to talk about easy things you can do, save some money on your 98 to 2011 Ranger. So one of the first things I'm going to say is a battery change. Everybody can do one. Just got to know, first things first, negative last. This one is located in the engine compartment. As you can see here, we have some corroded wires and cables connectors. So that's one of the things I want to talk about. Easy repair you can do. Other than installing the battery, you can put your own terminal ends on, real easy. What about the drive belt? It's not as hard as you think it is, and you can save close to $100 doing it yourself. The belt ranges anywhere from $45 to $85. Comes with all three belt routings, all depends on the engine you have, so you don't have to worry about not memorizing how it goes. Another quick one that you go every time you go to an oil place, you know what I'm talking about. They try to get you for an air filter. It might be convenient for you, but it's expensive when the filter's not that much. You might pay 15 bucks for this filter at a good parts store, which I think I know of one. And all you're gonna do is 2 clips, pop them, air box comes right out, put the filter in, and you're good to go. They might overcharge you by $25. That's a pretty good meal. Headlight assembly, not just the ball, but the assembly on these Rangers are so easy. There's 2 metal tabs right here. You're just gonna pull up on those, 3 angle pins, work it out. Then when you get the new assembly, just put your sockets in, line up those 3 mount pins, put it in, slide the metal bars down, locks it right in. Taillight assemblies, so easy to do on this truck. 2 mounting screws on the outside, Phillips head, and 2 mounting screws on the inside. You can see them right here. Literally 7 minutes to do this whole job. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. And if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell. It turns on all your notifications. That way you won't miss any upcoming videos.